In this video we will discuss how to create a decoupled installation package, and later deploy the components to multiple client computers. Let's first create the package needed for decoupled install. Browse to the location where software dump is located. Run Setup as administrator. Follow on-screen instructions until you reach Custom Install Type screen. From Custom Install Type, select Create a custom package to install on a different computer. Click Create a recording of package and installation options screen. Under Install New Instance window, we accept to create a new instance on the machine by clicking Next. Under Destination folder window, verify the default location for software installation. If necessary, click Browse to change the default location. Under Windows Operating System Processor Type window, select the appropriate processor type and click Next. Select Location for Custom Install Package Destination folder, and click Next. Select Create a New Instance option under Install the Instance selection. Select the components that you want to install under Select Platforms. Note that if you have plans to create a decoupled custom package, the components that you select here will be included in the decoupled custom package. Select custom package options as needed, like if you want to include Net Framework 4.0 installer in the custom package. Once done, click Next. If this computer and the COM serve is separated by a firewall, click Configure Firewall Services, and if firewall configuration is not required, click Next. The COM serve name can be specified later. If you do not specify the COM serve name in this step, and if you choose not to display this step during the package installation, then you will need to register a client using the COMSEL console or through the command line. For this video, let's specify the COM serve name and click Next. The default port numbers used for COMSEL communication is 8400 for CVDA and 8402 for EVM-GRC. If you want this screen to be displayed while installing the components from the custom package, select the Show to User checkbox. Once done, click Next. Under Client Certificate, click Next to proceed. Click the box to add program to the Windows Firewall exclusion list. If you want this screen to be displayed while installing the components from the custom package, select the Show to User checkbox. Once done, click Next. Verify the default location for software installation. If necessary, click Browse to change the default location. Once done, click Next. Custom install package creation is underway. Please wait. Creation of custom package completed successfully. Verify the contents by browsing to the location where custom install package is located. Install using the decoupled installation package. Let's first check if any CommVault agents already installed on the server. Open Programs and Features from Control Panel. From the list of programs we do not see CommVault installed on the server. Browse and locate the custom package. Double-click the executable file to start the installation as administrator. On the Custom Installation Package screen, click Next to continue. Provide a path for the installer to extract the installation package and then click Next. The installation proceeds silently. This may take some time to complete. On the pop-up, please note that you need to register the computer using Process Manager. Click OK. Installation completed successfully. Click Finish to exit the wizard. Verify the installed products from Control Panel, Programs and Features. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe for more.